YouTube. My name is Johnnyson. We're doing a taste test of this water. So let's see how it goes. Alright. It tastes absolutely amazing. Some good water. This is good. Some good water. This water's nasty. Let's get rid of it. That's yummy water. I'm back, guys, and today we're doing another taste test. We're doing a water review. This water was super good. Yummy. So here was some good water. There's only one issue. I did not really. The milk challenge. That was some good milk. Make sure to hit that like button and stay tuned to our video.